Hello folks, welcome to WM Originals. Myself Akhil back with another video. In this video I am going to tell you how you can download Windows 10 October 2020 version 20H2 ISO. If you want to clean install Windows 10 20H2 update and need Windows 10 version 20H2 ISO, well then you are at the right place. Watch this complete video to know the process of downloading Windows 10 20H2 ISO. If you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon to get latest tech videos from me. Let's start this video and know how to download Windows 10 October 2020 update ISO. Click on Start and open Edge. Going to Windows Insider's Flight Hub. I have shared this link in video description. You can get it from there. If you want to visit and check various other details about Windows Insider's channel and update rollout. Click on Upcoming Features Update for Windows 10 20H2. Here you can find various details about Windows 10 preview build releases. You can check build 19042 is the latest update released for beta and release preview users. Also, build 19042.487 is available through ISO. Click on that and it opens up a download page. Here you need to log into your Microsoft account which you have used to register with Windows Insider program. There are many more details shared about how this ISO can be used. Scroll down and here you can see an option to select edition. Here one can select the build they want to download. One can even download the ISO for current dev channel which is build 20201. We will be selecting beta channel build 19042 which is latest update available for October 2020 update. Click confirm and now we need to select product language. Select the language you want to choose. I will be selecting English. Click confirm and now it shows up with the links to download Windows 10 Client Insider Preview Build 19042. You can download 64-bit or 32-bit, the one you want to get. Clicking on 64-bit download and here it starts downloading. After it's done, this can be used to clean install by making bootable flash drive. This link will be available for 24 hours to download, so make sure you have enough data to download it. This is how easy it is to download Windows 10 October 2020 version 20H2 ISO. If you have any issues while downloading, do share those in comments. I will try to come up with solution for the same. Also, if you want to upgrade to Windows 10 October 2020 update, or want to know the features coming along, watch these videos. The links for the same are shared in description as well as YouTube cards as well. So folks, this is what I had in this video. Do share your views and if you have any suggestion, do share those in comments. If you have not liked this video yet, do like and share it with others. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to WM Originals, subscribe now. This is Akhil saying goodbye for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.